In the lively city of Manchester, something exciting had arrived at Melon Crust Primary School. A shiny new robot named RoboBuddy X10 rolled into year 5, and the whole class buzzed like a nest of busy bees. Anderson could hardly sit still. He adored clever gadgets and believed every problem had a quick answer. Maryanne, his best friend, was quieter and more thoughtful. She liked looking closely before leaping in. When RoboBuddy's blue eyes lit up, the class gasped. It could answer questions, give homework tips, and even tell jokes. Anderson beamed. Maryanne folded her hands and watched carefully. The teacher announced a challenge. The class had to build the strongest bridge they could from paper, tape, and straws. They were welcome to ask RoboBuddy for help. Anderson rushed straight over. "What is the strongest shape?" he asked. "Triangular structures distribute force evenly," RoboBuddy replied at once. Anderson nodded hard. "See? Easy." Maryanne studied the materials. "Maybe we should test a small model first," she suggested. But Anderson was already building exactly as the robot had said. Straight lines, sharp corners, neat angles. RoboBuddy beeped cheerfully. "Design, optimal." Maryanne was not so sure. "It looks tidy," she said, "but it feels a bit stiff." "It is a bridge, not a kitten," Anderson laughed. Soon it was time for the test. The teacher placed a small book on their bridge. It held for a moment. Anderson gave a triumphant grin. Then came a faint crack. The bridge bent. Then it collapsed in a paper heap with a whoosh and a tumble of straws. Anderson stared. RoboBuddy whirred. Structure failure, insufficient flexibility, and collaboration. Maryanne sighed. "I think we forgot something important." Anderson looked sorry. "We followed the instructions exactly." "Yes," said Maryanne, "but we did not really work together." The teacher knelt beside them. "RoboBuddy can give you information," she said gently, "but it cannot replace thinking together, adapting, or understanding each other." Anderson scratched his head. "I thought the robot knew better than us." "It knows facts," said Maryanne kindly. "But we know when something needs a change." Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!